Good morning, all. I am Dr. Saravana Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS B-Spine, SNS Institutions. So, today we are going to discuss about very important topic, STP. What do you mean by STP in marketing? Segmentation, target, and positioning. That is STP. We will see one by one. So what do you mean by market segmentation? The word segmentation arises from the Latin word segmentum, means to cut. It serves this very purpose in marketing. Market segmentation is done to cut heterogeneous market into more identifiable consumer groups. So what is the definition for market segmentation? As per Philip Kotler, everyone you know, the famous marketing author Philip Kotler, market segmentation is subdividing of market into homogeneous subset of customers where any subset may conceivably be selected as marketing target with to be reached with distinct marketing mix. So what do you mean by marketing mix? Again, product, place, price, promotion. So these are the 4 stages in that marketing mix. So market segmentation is a method of dividing a market large into smaller groupings of consumers or organizations in which each segment has a common characteristic such as need or behavior. That is a market segmentation. So the types of market segmentation or basis of market segmentation, we are having 4 types. So in that 4 types only we are going to segment your market. First one, geographic segmentation. Second one, demographic segmentation. Third one, psychographic segmentation. Last, behavior segmentation. So we will see one by one. Geographic segmentation. Why we are saying the word geographic? It's nothing but location. Any location. You can take Coimbatore, Tirupur, Erode, Salem, whatever it is. So geographic segmentation. Dividing the market into different geographic units like nation, state, region, countries, cities or neighborhood. So where you are going to segment your market. For example, Tirunelveli is famous for Alva. Tirupati is famous for Laddu. So Coimbatore is a Manchester of South India for textile industries. So same like that, the geographic segmentation. Next, demographic. In this demographic segmentation, dividing the market into groups based on demographic variables. So if you are doing a research in any questionnaire, the first we are going to start with demographic variables. The same like that in market segmentation also we are having demographic segmentation. So dividing the market into groups based on demographic variables, because if you are going to manufacture any product, the demographic segmentation is very important. Because if you are going to manufacture the product depends on age, gender, income, occupation. So these are the examples for demographic, right? So in every questionnaire in your research, you can take that. First starting with name, age, gender, occupation, income. So that's a demographic segmentation, demographic variables. Next, psychographic segmentation. It's a very important segmentation compared to other segmentation. So dividing buyers into different groups based on social class, lifestyle and personality characteristics. So that is behavior, I mean the psychographic segmentation. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.